Hello people, what's going on? My name is Soni Varghese and I welcome you to the Design Chat channel. Are you a freelancer? If yes, then this video is going to be extremely useful to you. I'm sure you already know of international and national creative awards like Abbies, Webbies, etc. But these are those awards into which you can enter your work if you work for an advertising firm. If you're a freelancer, then you are not allowed to enter into these awards. But do not worry, because now you can enter your work into the Free Publican Awards. And today I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about Free Publican Awards. But mind you, this is not a sponsored video. I'm going to tell you what the Free Publican Awards is all about, what the deadline is, what the rules and regulations are, how you can enter into these awards, and who's sitting on the judging panel. So please watch this video till the end. Free Publican Award is an international creative award promoted by the freelancing web portal freepublic.com. And as far as I know, this is the very first time that an award platform has been put together for the creative freelance community. Over 10,000 freelancers are expected to enter into these awards across 36 different creative categories, about which I'll be telling you in a moment. And what makes this award unique is that along with the professional category, there's also a student category. And if you're a student pursuing a bona fide course from an accredited college, then you can enter your portfolio work under the student category. Now let me tell you the best part about it. This is absolutely free. Yes, there's absolutely no entry fee for you to submit your entry into the awards this year. The entry deadline is 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, 24th July 2020, which means that your entry should reach them before 6 in the evening Indian Standard Time, 24th of July 2020. Now, can I ask you for a favor? If you find the video useful, then please hit the like button to this video and also subscribe to this channel. And once you subscribe, in the comment box, please mention I subscribed. The following are the broad award categories: Design and Creative, Film and Photography, Image Retouching and CGI, Copywriting, Account and Planning, Free Publican of the Year, Student Category Awards. Now these categories will be further divided into the following subcategories. This is the very first category, the Free Publican of the Year Award. The categories are 00A, Free Publican of the Year Independent, 00B, Free Publican of the Year Team, 00C, Free Publican of the Year Student, 00D, Student of the Year Best Campaign, 00E, Student of the Year Best Photographer, 00F, Student of the Year Best Illustrator Sculptor, 00G, Student of the Year Best Typographer Calligrapher, 00H, Student of the Year Best Copywriter. Next subcategory, Design and Creative. 01A, Best Ad Campaign, Offline Mediums. 01B, Best Ad Campaign, Digital Mediums. 01C, Best Art-Led Ad Campaign across mediums. 01D, Best Art-Led Single Ad across mediums. 01E, Best Innovation, Offline Mediums. 01F, Best Innovation, Digital Mediums. 01G, Best Design, Brand Identity or Logo Design. 01H, Best Design, Packaging. 01I, Best Design, Brochure, E-Brochure. 01J, Best Typography or Calligraphy. 01K, Best Illustrator. Next subcategory, Film and Photography. 02A, Best Photographer, Commercial. 02B, Best Photographer, Editorial. 02C, Best Art Director, Set, Film and Print. 02D, Best Film, Ad Film, Long and Short Format. 02E, Best Director, Ad Film, Long and Short Format. 02F, Best DOP or Cinematographer, Ad Film, Long and Short Format. 02G, Best Editor, Ad Film, Long and Short Format. 02H, Best Music Director, Ad Film, Long and Short Format. 02I, Best VFX Artist or Team, Ad Film, long and short format. 02J, best animation, ad film or short film. Next subcategory, image retouching and CGI. 03A, best image retouching across mediums. 03B, best CGI across mediums. Next subcategory, copywriting. 04A, best copy-led ad campaign across mediums. 04B, best copy-led ad single across mediums. 04C, best content writing. 04D, best editorial writing. Next subcategory, account planning. 05A, best strategy, ad campaign or design strategy. Now I'll start with the rules and regulations for the professional entries. These, according to me, are the most important and relevant rules and regulations. Now, if you want more details, I suggest that you visit their website, freepublic.com, but I think these are enough for you to start with. Number 1, you must be registered on the freepublic.com to enter into the Free Publican Awards. Second, entries can be submitted only by independent freelancers, a team of freelancers up to 6 people, or a small agency up to the strength of 20 people. Point number 3, the entries need to be submitted only in English language. Point number 4, if a work is not in English, then a translation of it should be submitted in English. Point 5, each category has to be entered into separately even if the creative piece is the same. Point 6, duplicate entries will be rejected. Point 7, you cannot enter scam entries. The work has to be created for a genuine client and not a fake one. Point 8, entries once submitted, it cannot be cancelled. Point 9, the creatives must have been released between 1st January and 31st December 2019. But if it was a campaign released before this period, but 2/3 ran in the eligible period, then all of it can be entered. Point 10, all entries must be authentic. Point 11, all entries except self-promotion must be approved by the client, and the necessary written permissions to enter copyrighted materials must be secured by the entrant. Point 12, one-time advertisement creatives are allowed, but the client's name, phone number and email ID has to be provided. Point 13, the entrant is responsible for authenticity and permission to enter the creative piece. Free Publican Awards will not be responsible for any third-party claims. Point number 14, if a proof is asked to claim authenticity and permissions, it has to be provided within 10 days. Point 15, any work related to Free Publican Awards or its employees will not be allowed to enter into the awards. Here are the rules for entering into the student category. Point 1, only those students still pursuing an academic course in a post-secondary educational institution can enter into the student category awards. 2, if a student has finished their education and not employed yet, then they can enter only their academic work created during their course into the student category. 3, if a student wants to enter their work created for a paying client, then they have to enter it in the professional category. Now let me explain to you how to submit your entries. First, you will have to download the appropriate entry form from the website. There are 2 separate forms, one for the professional category and another for student category. Point 2, upload the completed entry form along with your online entry. Point 3, all work must be submitted in its original language. Point number 4, if a work is not in English, then a translation of it should be submitted in English. And the winners will be announced as follows. The final shortlist will be announced on August 10, 2020. And the winners will be announced between August 15 and August 20, 2020. There's a very interesting and widely respected panel of judges from the world of advertising, design, film and marketing judging your work. Rajesh Ramaswamy, who is a writer and director and who is also the founder of Script Room. Rishabha Nayyar, National Head Strategic Planning, 82.5 Communication, a part of Ogilvy. Zahir Mirza, who is a director and founder of Skill Mill. Sarang Kulkarni, type designer and calligrapher, and the founder of White Crow and co-founder of Ek-Type. Achyut Pallav, calligrapher and designer, founder of Resonance Designs and Achyut Pallav School of Calligraphy. Sabha Ghaziani, tabletop director and food stylist and founder of A La Carte Pictures. Martin Prihoda, photographer and director, founder of Martin Prihoda Photography and Chop Chop. Sairam Krishnamurthy, head of sales of Ola. Ved Narayan Sir Deshpande, Head of Marketing, Discovery Communications India, and Emre Gulaglu, who's a photographer and founder at Emre Gulaglu Photography. So please don't waste any time. Pick your best work done last year and enter it into the Free Publican Awards. And do not forget to register on freepublic.com. It doesn't harm to have an award entering into your resume. All the best, guys. Now, can I ask you for a favor? If you find the video useful, then please hit the like button to this video and also subscribe to this channel. And once you subscribe, in the comment box, please mention I subscribed.